Hi everyone, is your Verizon Landline giving you trouble? In this quick guide, we will cover common problems and easy fixes to get your line working again. Let's dive in. Why Verizon Landline not working? Verizon Landline issues can arise from several factors, including improper connections or faulty equipment. Call forwarding is active and difficulties making outgoing calls, which may result from dialing errors or account restrictions. These problems often stem from wiring issues, device malfunctions, or service outages in the area. Fix 1. Check connections. Loose connections, battery issues, and can prevent the phone from receiving a signal. Damaged wiring can disrupt the connection and lead to a lack of dial tone. Ensure that your phone is securely plugged into the wall jack. If you are using a cordless phone, make sure it is charged. If possible, connect a different phone to the same jack to determine if the issue is with the original phone or the line itself. Look for any visible damage to the phone cord or a jack. If you find any frayed or damaged wires, replace them. Fix 2. Disconnect other devices. Remove any other devices connected to the phone line such as fax machine or answering machines and test the line again. This help identify if another device is causing interference. Fix 3. Check for service outages. Visit the Verizon service status page to see if there are any known outages in your area. Sometimes service disruptions can be due to external factors affecting multiple customers. Go to Verizon service status page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it, select your service and enter your address. Press enter to know the service status. Fix 4. Test with different equipment. Use another phone to see if the static persists. If it does not, the original phone may be faulty. This steps helps determine if the issue is specific to one device. Fix 5. Turn off call forwarding. Ensure that call forwarding feature is not activated. These features can inadvertently block incoming calls. Lift your telephone's receiver, press *73 or dial 1173 or a rotate or pulse styling phones. Listen for too short tone. The call forwarding will be turned off successfully. Fix 6. Test incoming calls. Have someone call your number while you check if the ringer volume is turned up and functioning properly. Confirming that your phone is set up correctly is essential for receiving calls. Fix 7. Test incoming calls. Have someone call your number while you check if the ringer volume is turned up and functioning properly. To adjust volume, take the phone off the hook to hear the dial tone. Press ## to enter volume adjustment mode. Press keys 1 to 4 to select your desired volume level. After selecting the desired volume, press the star key to save it. If you hear a single confirmation tone, you have successfully set the volume level. Fix 8. Dialing correctly. Ensure you are dialing the correct number format, including area code if necessary. Incorrect dialing can lead to failed calls. Fix 9. Check account status. Check for any account restrictions that may prevent outgoing calls by logging into your Verizon account or contacting customer support. Restrictions could be due to unpaid bills or service changes. To check your balance, dial #BAL #225 from your Verizon mobile phone and listen for the automated response or wait for a text message. Alternatively, visit the My Verizon website or app, sign in and view your balance on the overview page. Check for account restrictions in the billing section of the app or a website for any alerts regarding unpaid bills or service suspensions.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.